Na from my head were gurmatach be condemned a curriculum and charting tarish well deal sama igidor be nearum mar ni rosugum maran fa condemni tino de via fasum fa condemni na an pervilla viaku tino so bine vision do landu hart agus in Kenya hart Aramor o gedor he when monarchan and tempelacht far more shul mu he shul tanum agus tamis noni got haike na daka got haike la hart gedor and rear galant viogod o dag got haike on mokish nakalor naragal agus mar to twaran jantang askedor taman sho o vi man foren to lua man forward tama fa klartilas agus na man sho hedor dúfar mór agus tama ma skor ma farharan temni viogum agus tama gar kontasi
ta maskan dini gobar samana kan sho ta dini is Poland agus Lithuania Rush agus na dini hartsi hantan sho it hen agus tama giri cardú lá na staisiir giri cleatí lenne agus tá ní giri cleatí lá sin agus bhil ré gartanas.
Me sé bhád sa le tú tuairt rangan í gaige buna Rúsí agus na Pólnaí.
Ó ní hat well tá coppla gata is Poland sin agus tá sé abla córa bag dhéanana Latin Gaelic smaid coppla focail so tá de sin eil faras tíre le abla coppla focail Gaelic le.
Yeah, but Dali me with go beach off. That course for that to the unigas. How actually I'm going to day because with cash on I should got a gas. Can we clear dash?
You will hand me show we see them now on Gaelic and show action right and if I tell you sort then you as get over more had a coup Gaelic a coup golifa agus James Shani Vielen Gomanik tam post the films as a week door the Shkutway Akuna the sort a gooper and all agus Nirmish gooper in a shoe free for Gomanik is the shit fain Tigamus the Bielen le Lochla agus the Gaelic Lochla. We got to need it called man will certain Shaw Condani me. With that, Vielen largo foods as a shah, because the Shah say Hunston, Gala, agus Ercomentasi, the Galishta, and San Vielen, the Lord to go see the Gaelic.
Shaw Faras Condani me for man here and Hannah using Shaw, agus the Gaelic way.
Couple of
focal, loyalish, I'm loan. That's on my heart.
Is Keddy happen to the Nandini show? Keddy?
How's she going away?
Will. And digging to eat?
Take him in.
Taking to Gaelic Akku.
Couple of focal Gaelic.
Yeah.
Nearly all in Yasha, Rudber Clartu. Rudber Clartu, a Changi in the Gaelic.
How's she on a war of the Slam? Go meet a maggot.
All right, come on.
Thank you.